Welcome to TechBrothersIT. In this video, we are going to learn about string operations in a PySpark. Here we are going to talk about contains that checks if a column contains a substring. Then we are going to talk about starts with that checks if a column starts with a substring. Then we are going to take a look into the ends with that checks if a column ends with a substring. And then finally, we will be taking a look on the substring that will be used to extract a substring from a column base on the position. Now here is my sample data, and you can see that I have ID and name, and then here is the list of the columns. Now we are creating a data frame by using a create a data frame function providing the sample data and the list of the columns. Now once that's done, we can go ahead and use the df.show function to see the data from our data frame. Now I'm going to execute this part of the code, and we will be seeing the records here. You can see right there. So here we are going to go ahead and use the contain that filter the rows where name contain a. So this is case sensitive, and if you see that this is a small or lowercase a, and we are saying df.filter data frame that we have right here that we just created on top of it, and we are filtering it, and then we're saying column name contains a letter a. So anywhere wherever it happen, if this is a containing a, that those are the results we will get. So in this case we are not going to get Amir because here is capital, and then here we are going to get the Lisa, where we are going to get Zara, we are going to get Amrita, because these are the names of those have a small case letter a. So we go ahead and execute this one, and we will see the results. So here you can see that it is returning us all those records where any of the value is a. So right there, and in this case a here. So that's how you will be using the contains function to see if you want to get any matching records. Now we will take a look into the starts with. So filter rows when a name starts with the a. Here you see that I'm using the capital A or uppercase A, and here we are filtering the data frame. So df.filter, and we are saying that column name. So name column if starts with the letter A, and this is uppercase A, and then we are showing the results. So if we go ahead and execute this one, you're going to get all those records which start with the letter A, and see right there, this is Amir, Ali and Alina. So these are all the names starting with the capital A. Now ends with the filter rows where name ends with the a. So it is lowercase a. So we are going to go ahead and execute, and we are filtering here data frame dot filter, and then we are checking for the column name, and that ends with the, and then here you are providing the letter such as a, b, or whatever you want to look for. So here we are looking for a small a. Let's execute that. And this is also case sensitive, so you can see that it is returning only the records which are ending with the small or lowercase a. We have some records which like such as Sana and right there, but this is not a return because it is a case sensitive. So if you will do a here, like let's say you want to do this a, and in this case then you will be able to see the Sana. So see right there, now we have Sana and Alina. So there are two records which are ending with the capital A or uppercase A. Now here we are going to go ahead and use the substring and extract first two characters from the name. So we will say create a new data frame df.withName. So we are adding a new column, and then what is the name of the column? First two, and then what is the value of that? Then is column name dot substring 1, 2. So take first two characters from the name column, and then use that as a new column. So that's where we are using with column. So the new column will be added to the df with the substring data frame. Other columns such as id and name will come as is, and this is the third column that will be added to it as well. And then we are displaying the records from the df and with the substring. So let's go ahead and execute. And now you will see that we have this data frame, and that has id, name, and first two. So it took first two characters from each of the name and created a new column called first two. So that's how you can use it. If you want to change it the position, let's say this is starting point and this is the number of the characters you want to get. So if I want to get like starting with the 2 and get last 3 characters, that's going to be possible as well. So I can go ahead and execute, and now you can see that it's starting from second character and getting me three characters. So some of the names I don't have actually a whole lot. Yeah, here this could be a good example. You can see right there it's getting us these three. So if the name is too small, that's fine, it's going to get to start from there, and whatever it can get you, it will get you. And if the name is long, and then it's going to get you all those three characters from there as well. So I thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video.